Hey, what's going on guys? Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel. I'm here at Wondabyne for Wondabyne Vlog Part 5 as requested by Hungry Bone Gaming. It's a lot quieter than usual here today. Just a slow pan of the area. Here we've got a VSET, V39. The rear half is V43. They both have New South Wales Trainlink livery. We've got an Oscar approaching platform number 1. H7 is the set. H7 is now departing. Here we've got some 81 classes. Leading Leco is 8175. The second one is 8160. The third one is 8180. And the fourth one is 48213. Here we have V13 being the front 4 cars. The rear 4 cars, V22. Here we have Grafton XPT. Leading motor car is XP2000. The rear motor car is XP2001. Excuse the sunlight's glare. Here we have Oscar H51 approaching platform number 2. I noticed I may have been a bit hard to hear when the horn went off. That set again was H51. Here we have an Oscar arriving into platform number 1, central service, H36 being the front 4 cars, H32 the rear 4 cars. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. I'll see you all in the next vlog. Goodbye for now.